day one, and we've gotten up, we've had breakfast, and we're now heading into the city.
We found some good freaking chicken.
Yeah, we found some lovely, was it 3 pears along the way, but there weren't actually any in the pot. What else have we seen?
Many hills.
Yes, but we're getting there. Found a wedding. What are you excited for?
There's a Victoria's Secret.
No, you're not excited for Victoria's Secret. What are you excited for?
Can I have the escalator? Oh my god. Ready?
It is cool.
You can go around the bend while standing still.
Wild. So we've made it to Fisherman's Wharf, near Alcatraz. We're near Alcatraz, which we're going to head over tomorrow.
When she tries not to die, filming down the middle of the road. Is she gonna die? She survived.
For a little time lapse.
It's really windy.
It's really windy, but the sky behind us is ridiculous. So nice. Little time lapse on the camera of that ridiculous view.